How you doing today? It's a beautiful day. We got some overcast and it's pretty cool out rather than 108, 109 degrees. But I'm going to do something special today because I have 453 subscribers. Thank you so much. Nothing like iced coffee. Okay? So today I'm going to do some grilled sweet peppers. Very simple, just oil and pepper. And I got some steak that I marinated, okay, in some olive oil, sweet chili sauce, and some ginger. And we're going to add a little pepper to that. Okay, we got our peppers. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper to this. Okay, that's all. Not much. All right. See? And we're just going to let those babies sit there and do their thing. You know, it's what they do best. We're going to add a little pepper to the inside. We got to get our steak going here, huh? Some nice cuts. Ooh, yeah. Look at this. Look at that piece of cut. Oh, that's pretty nice, man. You know what? Let's put that in. I can smell that marinade. Whoop. It wanted to get on the grill so quick it jumped. Just let a little bit of that come off. That one too. We're going to char them up. Look at that nice piece. Oh. Oh. Look. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's give them a turn. We got them some searing going on. Not very, very tough. But I turn them a couple times. That just seals the deal, you know? And that's what I want to do. At this point, now that I did one turn, I'm going to add a little pepper. Okay. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to do another turn here. We're going to add a little bit more pepper. Look at these. Oh yeah, full of flavor. See, I'm going to put my meat thermometer in and we're going to let the Digitech tell me when it's done. I want to be sure, okay, because it is beef. Okay, it's time to take the peppers off. They're just right. Look at that. Peppers take probably about 10 minutes, if that. Okay, look at that. Yeah, and that's good. They're going to be just like that, you know, just perfect. We're going to leave them alone, and the meat's going to finish up. That's my alarm. The steaks are ready. Yep, see? Oh, reliable. Cool. So let's pop these babies off. 2, 3. Oh yeah. That little one there. 4, 5. Look at the juices come out of that. Oh God. Now we're going to let this sit for just a little bit. And we're going to let that get to that perfect temperature. There you go. Look at that juice run. Oh God. There you go, folks. Mike's grilled steak and peppers. The steak was marinated in some ginger, olive oil, sweet chili sauce, and some soy sauce. Of course, the light soy sauce. Very basic, but yet very tasty.